welcome to my Banjara Market vlog. So let's start with the first question. What exactly is Banjara Market? So it's this really amazing furniture market and it's located in Gurgaon, and you can find really chic furniture at very affordable prices there. So I recently went there and I got tons of home decor for my house and also a lot of planters for my garden. So just let's go into the hall and see if you like it. Banjara Market has a lot of amazing frames to offer. I got most of these frames in just rupees. I will mention the prices of frames that were a little bit higher than 50 bucks, but you will get amazing frames under 100 bucks for sure. And these are vintage frames. Of course, there might be a little bit defect here and there, but you can easily paint them or apply clear coat in them and use wherever you want to. You will find a variety of home decor options in Banjara Market, and that too very affordable. I got this owl showpiece which can also be used as a planter for just 60 bucks. Check out all the other amazing pieces I got for decorating my home. I also found some pieces of utility which can also be used as a part of your stationery as well as for decorating your house. Banjara Market offers a wide range of unique crockery. I love these hexagon shaped plates, and similarly going with the teal theme I got little cups. I don't know what happened to me, and I really got obsessed with having teal as my theme. So I got this amazing watering can for just 200 bucks. This vintage partition was my favorite buy from the market. And last but not the least, I got this beautiful vintage mirror for just 300 bucks. And this is how I styled it with the other frames I got from Banjara Market. I hope you enjoyed this haul, and of course one of the most important questions is how safe was Banjara Market. I would say it was pretty safe. People were maintaining distance, there was not a lot of crowd, so you can totally go and check it out. But because of the pandemic, obviously the artisans at Banjara Market have been hit hardly, so they have also come online on Instagram to share their stuff and to sell their stuff. So you can definitely check out their Instagram pages if you have any doubts that you might not be able to go. So I hope you have a great time home decorating, and I'll see you next time.